Welcome back to Think Big Digital. Today we are going to learn how to add hyperlinks in Canva. So what is a hyperlink? A hyperlink is a clickable element in digital content that directs you to another location such as a web page, document or specific section within a document. When you click on a hyperlink, it takes you to a destination it is connected to. Now just go to your design that you are going to design today. I'm just going to show you for an example. You can do it. I'm going to choose one of the logos that I have chosen to edit earlier as well. Now go to the clickable text or go to the elements or image or shape that you want to hyperlink. Tap on the element and you will be able to see link bar here, and if it's not there then just go for the three dot option. You will be able to see a link option here, and the keyboard shortcut is Ctrl K. Just tap on link and then just paste or type your link, Ctrl V, and then tap on done, and then they will add your link from the link option, and then you can add the display mode here. Either you can display it as embed or you can display it as link. We will always use the link option. Just tap on link and then tap on done. Then go outside of the canvas. As you can see, my link is added here. You should note that hyperlinks work in presentation mode, or when you download the design as a PDF, then it is a clickable link only if you select with clickable links when downloading. Free Canva users can only add hyperlinks to text, while pro users can link images and other elements. Now just tap on share button, go for download and tap on download. Open your file, and here is the design that you made, and it is saved as PNG. As it will work as a PDF, then we will just add a page here and tap on share, download, go for the PDF standard option and tap on download. Then open your PDF, and as you can see there is a pointer here. That means you can go to a certain destination. That means you're successfully added the hyperlink here. Just tap on the link to test, and as you can see I am successfully being added the hyperlink in Canva. That's it for today. Do try this tutorial at home. For more tutorials like this, keep watching Think Big Digital. Give us a big thumbs up, and for more tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel.